If you want to enable or disable screen auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's grab our phone and let's swipe down from the top right corner of our screen to open up our control panel. Let's open it up in the full mode. So here you'll see your auto rotate button. Usually it's enabled by the default, and when it's colored up, it means it's enabled. So if you're gonna hold your finger on it, you'll see this menu where you have on-off switch, home screen switch, lock screen, voice call screen, and show rotate button at the bottom of the screen. So if you want your home screen to rotate as well, or lock screen or voice call screen, make sure to tap on the according switch. Now press done. So as you see, it's enabled and we can rotate it. We can fully rotate it at any point how we want it. However, if you don't want your phone to rotate, right, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen again and tap on this icon. Now it's locked in the portrait mode. And as you see, nothing is going on. If you want it back, tap on the switch again, and you will be able to rotate it again. And basically that's how it works. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.